This man struggles with relentless itching. This woman can't seem to get a good night's sleep. This man battles mood swings and attention disorders. This woman suffers from chronic abdominal pain. These symptoms may seem unrelated, but what if they all shared a common cause? A cause that affects billions of people worldwide. This cause is called parasites.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you know, this channel is dedicated to holistic health and osteopathy. Today we are diving into a topic which is overlooked but incredibly important. What if your digestive discomfort, chronic fatigue, or even allergies were caused by these tiny invaders? Stay with us to uncover the hidden world of parasites and how they might be affecting your health. Yes, actually, it's a good question. What is a parasite? Parasites are organisms that live at the expense of their host. In this case, we are the host. They range from microscopic protozoa to larger intestinal worms. Even fungi like Candida albicans can be considered a parasite because it lives at our expense. But here's the kicker. They are not just passive hitchhikers. They are active participants in your body's ecosystem, often manipulating it for their survival. We'll get back to that point later on. Why this topic is important? Because their impact on your health goes far beyond your digestive discomfort. Parasites can influence everything, energy levels to your mood, and that's what we'll explore today. Who has parasites? Here are some eye-opening facts. According to the World Health Organization, over 3 billion people worldwide are infected with intestinal parasites. Even in industrial countries, studies suggest that up to 30% individuals may unknowingly host parasites. Actually, the truth is probably everyone has parasites. Yes, even you and me. In most cases, fortunately, our immune system keeps them in check, maintaining a delicate balance. Parasites are masters of disguise. They have evolved complex strategies to evade detection. Parasites use sophisticated strategies to avoid detection by the human immune system. Here are some of the most common ones. Molecular mimicry. Some parasites imitate the host's proteins to avoid being recognized as foreign. For example, schistosoma covers its surface with host molecule to go unnoticed. Antigenic variation. Some parasites like Trypanosoma brucei, which causes sleeping sickness, regularly change their proteins on their surface to evade immune antibodies by making our antibodies obsolete. Immune suppression. Some parasites, such as Toxoplasma gondii, inhibit inflammatory responses or block certain immune reactions to survive longer in the host. Hiding inside host cells. Intracellular parasites like Plasmodium, which causes malaria, live inside cells such as red blood cells, making them less visible to the immune system. Production of immunomodulatory substances. Some parasitic worms, like helminth schistosoma, release molecules that reduce inflammation or manipulate the immune response to avoid being attacked. Encapsulation and dormancy. Some parasites form cysts to survive in hostile conditions and re-emerge later, like Toxoplasma gondii, in muscle and brain tissues. exploiting the gut microbiota. Some intestinal parasites alter the host gut microbiome to promote their own survival and reduce immune alert signals. A great example of an intestinal parasite that alters the gut microbiome to promote its survival and dampen immune responses is the human whipworm. So as we can see, unlike bacteria or viruses, parasites are much more sophisticated, with survival strategies that allow them to thrive for years, sometimes for a lifetime, within their host. And it seems that we all have parasites in our body. The real question is that a problem? In most cases, probably not. As long as their number is kept in check by our immune system, it remains harmless and asymptomatic. The key here is balance. A healthy immune system can coexist with these organisms, but when that balance is disrupted, problems arise. Parasitic pathology, or when parasites become a problem, is linked to infestation or overload of parasites. Common symptoms include chronic fatigue, itching, chronic inflammation, including ENT system inflammation, allergies, neurological issues, including mood disorders, even ADHD-like symptoms. These symptoms are often vague and diffuse, making diagnosis challenging. Many patients visit multiple specialists before discovering parasites as the root cause. Here's where it gets fascinating. Parasites can manipulate their hosts. For example, they produce substances that interfere with brain chemistry, driving cravings for food that feed them, like sugar. This creates a vicious circle. More nutrients means more parasites, and more parasites means more cravings. While it's not scientifically proven that ADHD is caused by parasites, I have personally observed that children with ADHD very often have an intense addiction to sugar, like very, very often. Could there be a connection? How osteopathy helps combat parasites? Osteopathic treatment works against parasites through two powerful mechanisms. Number one, boosting the immune system. As I explained in the previous video, link to it in the description. Releasing tensions in the body, including organ ones, increasing local blood circulation. This improved circulation delivers a higher concentration of immune cells and antibodies in the affected area. As a result, the immune system regains its strength and becomes significantly more effective at fighting off parasites, leading to a substantial reduction of their number. Number two, restoring digestive efficiency. A tense digestive system struggles to function properly. It fails to digest food effectively and absorbs fewer nutrients. This undigested food becomes an all-what-you-can-eat buffet for parasites. By releasing tensions in the digestive system, osteopathy enhances digestion efficiency and nutrient absorption. This means the body extracts more nutrients from the food, leaving fewer leftovers for parasites to feed on. As a result, the waste from digestion is significantly lower in nutrients. With their food supply cut off, a large portion of the parasites will simply starve to death. Digested food can be compared to garbage bins. An empty bin without waste attracts few insects. On the other hand, a bin full of waste attracts many. Just as nutrient-rich digestive residues promote the presence and proliferation of parasites. Parasites are a hidden but powerful force in our health. Osteopathy offers a natural solution to fix and prevent their infestation, to restore balance and improve people's well-being. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time for more holistic health insight.